Hi friends, Namaskar, good morning. Welcome to the new edition of Monday Mantra. You may be a fresh graduate stepping out of the university or a young professional trying to settle down or in the middle of a very lucrative career. You are planning for a strategic change to get into a new job of your liking. In whatever stage you are in life, through this video, I'll give some tips on how to get your dream job. What is a dream job? Is it a job that gives you a big title, allotting you a corner office, offering you a fat salary without much work or responsibility, with a fixed 9 to 5 work schedule, and also offering you club membership to play golf or tennis after 5 p.m.? Or is it a job with full of responsibility, with a lot of opportunity to grow, providing the much needed job satisfaction and supporting you to seek fulfillment of your dreams and ambitions and purpose in life? Let us find out. Alex, an engineering graduate, did not opt for the campus selection as the remuneration package was very low. Eyeing on a big ticket dream job, he started applying to the companies directly. But for the reasons not known that particular year, all the companies were shying away recruiting freshers directly. And Alex missed out almost 1 full year before he could get a good job. That too for a package much lesser than that offered during the campus interview. The best advice here it could be, always pick up the first opportunity as it comes right away. You will know the nitty-gritties of a job only when you are actually working. And if you are not satisfied, you can always change your job. I'll give another example. Romkey is a young IT professional who made great strides working with a legendary IT company, integrating artificial intelligence with business intelligence, with good salary and perks. And after working for 2 years, he simply resigned. Following his passion, he enrolled for a journalism course and got into a new job as business correspondent in a national newspaper for a salary far lesser than what he was getting earlier in the IT company. When I asked him if given a chance whether he would go back to the earlier IT job, he categorically said no. And he said he had found a job he is so passionate about that gives him enough peace, happiness, and freedom. Good that he is lucky that way. I know of another person, an MTech from IIT, who invested his initial 3 years in establishing an innovative startup company, utilizing substantial portion of the family's savings and also availing some loans from banks. But abruptly, he sold his venture and took up a teaching job in a school run by an NGO. He said, now that he has found his passion and he is so happy in the new role. No doubt, driven by passion, these two gentlemen renounced their high-paying jobs to settle down for a much lesser package at a crucial time in their life journey. We also come across people who later regret for changing jobs, though openly they don't admit to having made such a wrong choice. Sometimes, as in the case with many people, you feel the first job you land yourself is not meeting your expectations. You feel the job is very boring, the salary and perks are low, no venues for promotion, long hours of work, and very stressful, and there is no recognition for your talents. So, instead of slogging in a job you don't like, you want to quit the job and take up a new one. At the same time, you are hesitant to take the plunge, not clear about when and how to do it, isn't it? If you are in this dilemma, I want to give you some tips and suggestions before you take a final call. Whenever you feel you don't like the present job, don't quit the job immediately. Just stick on to it for some more time. Explore new pastures side by side, connecting with the right people, collecting the information about the company, the type of job you want, details about the roles and responsibilities, the salary, perks and benefits, of course. And if possible, do a part-time in the same field or try for an internship to have the feel of the new job. When you are convinced that the new assignment holds all the features of your dream job, then you put up the papers and take up the new assignment. However, just hopping jobs in search of ideal conditions is not always the answer, because there are no ideal conditions in life. If you are not comfortable with the present conditions in your present employment, in the known organization, then what is the guarantee that you will have the same comforts and happiness you are looking for in a new job in an unknown organization? Moreover, external conditions are bound to change with time. So instead of trying to change the external conditions, is it not wiser to change your own response to those conditions? Friends, this is a very crucial time for job seekers and professionals. During this pandemic, we have seen many instances of job losses and salary cuts across the globe, across industries. Even retaining the existing job and salary package is becoming tough for many people. At the same time, the pandemic unlock has created many exciting opportunities also. New job openings with new skills and on very attractive terms. It's going to be a big bonanza for people who upskill themselves, especially in areas like supply chain management, cyber security, digital skills, big data management, business analytics, negotiation skills, healthcare and counseling and so on, especially in this post-pandemic era. And the situation is a melting pot out there in the job market. At this point of time, changing job just for pursuing your passion alone is not advisable. Friends, this is the time you need to really think and do things differently. Yes, if you want to have different results, you need to change the way you do things. There was boredom, apathy, and stress in the previous job. It was because there was a mismatch between the demand and supply. There was a gap between the challenges you faced and the skill set you had. Now, take a re-look at your capabilities. Enhance your competency and skills. Make full use of the opportunities and resources. And when you love your work, get inspired, energized, and start performing to your full potential. See the transformation that is taking place in your life. The same job you were slogging in will now become a source of joy and fulfillment. Shall I tell you a truth? Your dream job actually does not exist. It is only that you create it. Dream job is not something which is a fantasy, like a balloon or a bubble or a cloud that is hanging over your head, where everything is rich, colorful, beautiful, plenty, free and easy. No. But it is the job you make it happen. You make it happen with all your capabilities and skills, with commitment and love, which gives you the fulfillment, peace and happiness that enables you to pursue your passion. So, instead of searching your dream job, put in your best efforts with all your energy, enthusiasm and love to convert whatever you do into your dream job. When you do this, you will be actually sailing in cloud 9, blissfully happy all through your life. All the very best. Good luck.